Today, we are talking about a platform that many creators, coaches, and online communities are using to build strong groups and connect with their audience in one place. If you have ever thought about creating community, selling content, or engaging directly with your audience outside of this social media, then you should know about Circle. A lot of people ask what exactly is Circle.so, how does it work, why do creators choose it, and in this video we will explain everything in simple way so you understand what the platform really is, what you can do with it, and how it can help you to grow your audience. But before that, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to grow online using smart tools and easy methods. Today we are talking about Circle.so and how it helps creators build communities, host content, and interact with members. I also placed a special offer link in description that you can use to get a bonus or better plan when you join. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use links from description. By using that link, any special offer or benefit will be applied automatically. Now let's get into the main part of the video and let's talk about what Circle.so really is. In simple word, Circle.so is an online platform where you can create private space for your audience or members. Think about it like a dedicated community hub where people can join to learn, share ideas, ask questions, and interact with each other. Instead of building your group inside a social media platform where things get lost in feeds and distractions, Circle.so gives you a clean and organized space where everything stays in one place. When you open Circle.so workspace, you can create different areas inside. These areas are like rooms or topics where your member can join discussion or watch your content or attend events. You can make categories of different interest, lessons, or programs. For example, if you run an online course, you can have one space for the course lessons, another space for Q&A, and another for where members can interact with each other. Everything is organized and your audience does not get confused or overwhelmed. One strong part of Circle.so is that it lets you mix community, content, and programs in one place. You can write posts like social media, like social feed, upload videos or documents, and you can create the lessons that only your member can see. This means you can use Circle.so for private communities, paid memberships, or even as the home for your courses or learning materials. You can also host live conversation or events inside the platform, keeping engagement active and interactive. Another part that many creators like is the ability to personalize the look and feel. You can design your community to match your brand color, logo, style, and your members will feel like they are part of something that is unique, and this help you to build trust and connection with your audience. Unlike public social groups, Circle.so gives you more control over branding and ownership, so your community feels like your own property. Messaging inside the platform is easy too. Members can send messages, ask questions, and reply to each other. You can also interact directly by replying to posts and creating announcements. This makes it easy for you to stay connected and respond to your audience when they need guidance or support. Circle.so also integrate with other tools. If you use the email marketing or email services, or let's say payments or course platform, you can connect them so the new members get access automatically when they join. This means you do not need to manage things manually every time someone signs up. The integration helps you to make your work smoother and saves your time. The platform is also mobile friendly, so members can join from their phones or tablets without any problem. Everything adjusts nicely to mobile screen and your members still get a full community experience even when they are away from a computer. Now some people ask, is Circle.so difficult to use? The everyday answer is that it feels simple once you start. The interface is clean and easy to navigate. You do not need any technical skills or coding to set things up. If you know how to use common apps or websites, you can build your Circle.so community with confidence. The support and guides also help you or the new users to get familiar quickly and solve the questions alongside the way. And that is the simple overview of what Circle.so is and how it works to help you build your own online community or membership hub. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to Easy Access Tech for more simple tech explanations and walkthrough like this. Make sure to use the special link in description to get the benefit access, and that will be applied automatically. I will see you in the next video. Take care and happy building.